Welcome to Ask and Learn.
Okay, recall the fact that we know that z is equivalent to the square root of r squared minus z squared. Now remember, we know the whole cross section is going to be 4 times that. Remember, when we square something, it cancels out the square root and the squared sign. So we end up with simply 4 times r squared minus z squared. Now that we have this, we know we can integrate from 0 to r. And remember, we can actually just double this. This makes it a lot easier because now instead of having negative bounds, we're simply doubling the result. Pull out all of our constants. In other words, if we pull out the 4, we end up with 8. 2 times 4 is 8. Integrate. When we integrate, we use the power method, which means we increase the exponent by 1, we divide by the new exponent. Z squared becomes 1/3 z cubed. Now we're at the point where we can plug in our bounds. Remember, we're plugging in r on the top, and then we're plugging in 0 on the bottom. We plug in 0, we actually just end up with 0. Minus 0, which is obviously just 0, which means we have 8 times 2r cubed over 3, which means we end up with 16r cubed divided by 3.